Hey everyone, Morgan here. Today we're going to talk about thermometers. Now in our labs we only use digital thermometers. Mercury thermometers are not allowed by the Los Angeles Unified School District. So this is a typical laboratory thermometer. It has this cover on it and it really helps if you take the cover off. Otherwise you're just taking the temperature of whatever the air is inside the cover. When you put the cover back on, make sure that this little pocket clip is at the top so that it can actually work like that. You'll often see chefs doing this even. Problem is, if you put it in the other way and you hang it on your pocket, it falls right out again. That's not good. So there'll be two controls on the thermometer itself. One of them is going to say on and off. Power it up. It comes on. And the other one is to switch between Celsius and the other temperature unit that begins with an F, but we don't use that. That's the F word, okay? So if you are noticing here, 23.2 degrees Celsius, if I grab onto it, the temperature starts to go up. When I let go, it goes back down. Now, for as pretty as this looks, these are not actually that accurate. There's a lot of precision to them. They have, a nice place after the decimal, but they're still relatively cheap thermometers. Now, if you're going to take the temperature of a liquid, what you need to do is suspend the thermometer in the liquid like this. Do not freestand a thermometer. If you're doing that, it's taking the temperature of the glass that it's touching rather than the liquid that's in the glass. So we always take the thermometers and we support them like this so that they're not touching any of the walls of the container, just the liquid that they are in. Okay? Now, these are battery operated, so sometimes what we do have to do is open them up and clean up the leads on the battery. Just rub them between our fingers to get any dust off that might be in there. For storage, we don't keep them in our lab lockers. We have this rack. Drop them into the rack, and this is an easy way for us to know that if all 15 have been returned to the room, all of the holes are filled there. All right, so that is basic use of a thermometer. Thanks for tuning in. This is Morgan signing off.